the Bermuda Triangle, a place where ships vanish, planes disappear, and compasses spin wildly. It is a region in the North Atlantic Ocean, roughly outlined by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For centuries, this area has been shrouded in mystery and fear. Sailors whispered tales of sudden storms and treacherous currents. Today, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most enduring mysteries of our time. Is it a haven for the paranormal, or are there more rational explanations? Let's journey into the heart of the triangle and explore its secret. The Bermuda Triangle, as we know it, didn't exist until the 20th century. The legend began with a few scattered reports of maritime disappearances.
One early mention came in 1950 in an article I wrote for the Associated Press. I highlighted the unusual disappearance of several ships and aircraft, including Flight 19.
2 years later, George X. Sand's article in Fate magazine further fueled the mystery. He described the disappearance of several vessels, including the cargo ship Sandra, cementing the area's reputation for the unexplained. However, it was Vincent Gaddis's 1964 article in Argosy magazine that truly coined the phrase Bermuda Triangle and popularized the legend.
I describe the region as a deadly triangle where strange events occur.
These early accounts, while lacking substantial evidence, captured the public's imagination. The Bermuda Triangle was born. The Bermuda Triangle's notoriety is built on a series of unexplained disappearances, each adding a layer to the legend. One of the most famous incidents is the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945. 5 Navy Avenger torpedo bombers vanished without a trace during a routine training mission. Then there's the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy collier that went missing in 1918 with over 300 people on board. No distress signal was sent, and the wreckage was never found. The Mary Celeste, a merchant ship discovered adrift and completely deserted in 1872, adds another layer of intrigue. Though not technically within the triangle, its eerie abandonment resonates with the legend. These disappearances, despite varying circumstances and lack of a clear connection, fuel the belief in the Bermuda Triangle's unusual influence. They remain unsolved mysteries, prompting speculation and feeding the legend. The lack of concrete answers to these disappearances has allowed speculation to run rampant. Theories range from the scientifically plausible to the downright paranormal. Some believe the triangle sits atop a massive magnetic anomaly, causing compasses to malfunction and ships to lose their way. Others point to the existence of rogue waves, towering walls of water, capable of sinking even the largest vessels in seconds.
Then there are the more fantastical theories involving underwater crystals, portals to other dimensions, and even extraterrestrial intervention.
While we may never know what happened in each case, it's important to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism. Section 5, the power of nature's scientific theories explained.
While the paranormal theories capture the imagination, many scientists believe that the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries can be explained by natural phenomena.
The area is known for its unpredictable weather patterns.
Sudden storms can whip up without warning, catching even experienced sailors off guard.
The Gulf Stream, a powerful current that flows through the region, can also create hazardous conditions.
It can quickly change the speed and direction of a ship, making navigation difficult.
These natural factors, combined with human error, offer a more plausible explanation for the disappearances than any paranormal intervention. Section 6, magnetic anomalies and the compass conundrum.
One of the most persistent theories surrounding the Bermuda Triangle is the existence of magnetic anomalies.
It's true that the Earth's magnetic field isn't uniform and has weak spots.
However, the idea that these anomalies are strong enough to affect navigation in the Bermuda Triangle is largely unsubstantiated.
Compasses rely on the Earth's magnetic field to function.
While variations exist, they are well documented and easily accounted for by experienced navigators.
The notion that compasses spin wildly in the Bermuda Triangle is a dramatic exaggeration, fueled more by fiction than fact. Section 7. Human error, a leading cause of maritime mishaps.
While natural phenomena play a role, human error is a significant factor in many maritime disasters, including those attributed to the Bermuda Triangle.
The area sees a high volume of both commercial and recreational traffic, increasing the likelihood of accidents.
Navigation errors, equipment malfunctions, and poor judgment can have disastrous consequences, especially in challenging conditions.
The pressure to maintain schedules, coupled with a lack of experience or inadequate training, can lead to mistakes that prove fatal. Section 8. Rogue waves, walls of water, and their devastating power. Rogue waves, once considered a myth, are now recognized as a real and terrifying ocean phenomenon. These massive waves can appear seemingly out of nowhere, reaching heights of over 100 feet. Their unpredictable nature and sheer power make them a serious threat to even the largest ships. While rogue waves can occur in any ocean, the conditions in the Bermuda Triangle, particularly the Gulf Stream's strong currents, might make them more likely to form. It's plausible that some of the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle could be attributed to these monstrous walls of water. Section 9. Methane hydrates, the science behind the burps of the ocean.
Another scientific theory involves the presence of methane hydrates on the seabed. These ice-like deposits of methane gas can break free and rise to the surface, creating large areas of bubbling water. The sudden release of methane gas can reduce the buoyancy of ships, causing them to sink rapidly. While there's no concrete evidence to link methane hydrates directly to disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle, it remains a plausible explanation that warrants further investigation.
Section 10. Fact versus fiction, debunking the myths surrounding the triangle.
The Bermuda Triangle has inspired a plethora of myths and misconceptions, often fueled by sensationalized accounts and a lack of scientific understanding. One common myth is that the area is a vortex that sucks ships and planes into another dimension. Another myth claims that time is distorted within the triangle, leading to strange temporal anomalies. These claims are purely fictional, with no scientific basis. The Bermuda Triangle operates under the same laws of physics as the rest of the planet.
Section 11. Conclusion, the enduring allure of the Bermuda Triangle. Despite scientific explanations, the Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate and intrigue. The legend, deeply ingrained in popular culture, persists, while the paranormal theories add a layer of mystique. It's important to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism. The more plausible explanations point to a combination of natural phenomena, human error, and unfortunate circumstances. The Bermuda Triangle serves as a reminder of the power of the natural world and the limits of our understanding. It's a place where myth and reality intersect, keeping us forever guessing.